I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch Control Audi RS5 full guide. Begin by ensuring the car is parked, parking brake engaged, and ignition off before you access settings. Check tire pressure and traction conditions to avoid wheel spin during the procedure. Wear appropriate gloves and follow owner manual cautions. Keep a safe open area for testing and have a passenger spot hazards while you prepare to activate launch control features. Next, enter the vehicle settings and locate the Drive Select and Traction Control menus to prepare for launch control activation. Follow on-screen prompts to enable performance stability settings and confirm any pop-up cautions. Some RS5 models require full brake depression combined with throttle blips to arm the system. Practice the sequence slowly at first, so you become comfortable with timing and pedal feel, but when you are ready, fully depress the brake and hold a steady accelerator input until the system indicates target RPM, then release the brake smoothly to initiate the launch. Keep hands steady on the wheel and watch for traction loss or system warnings so you can abort safely. After a run, allow components to cool and inspect brakes and tires. Practice in controlled environments to refine timing and maintain vehicle longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.